What's up, guys? It's Friday. This is around 9 p.m. and I'm managing this trade that decided just because I was with you on TikTok, my laptop, I don't know what's up with it. So I was unable to proceed with the session, but I've decided to make a video of my entry that I was just adding a position on my swing position. And this is 3 minutes. So let's go back to a higher time frame and do something. I'll show you the trade that I've been holding. You know, when you go to higher time frame, things are a little bit messy here, but the trade that I was having is this CHF. Let me show you. CHF, how's F here? I was using the FXM here. And this is the trade that I'm holding that I took earlier. All right, been holding this trade. So I see that I'm going to add a position here because I was supposed to enter this trade here, but I missed. And the question that the guy was asking me about, why are you selling? I think I happened to explain about that USDCHF, and this video I already made the video on TikTok already, no, on my YouTube channel. So we look at this bullish, but fundamentally we are bearish. So let me explain why I happen to add another position despite having another zone, a pending zone up here, not filled, but I just added a position in this trade, and I'm on a short position. Is only that I don't know if I'll be able to cut this video so that I can put that entry model there. You can see it. But if you don't see it, it will be on my TikTok channel. Make sure that you check it on my TikTok and you will see how I've entered this trade here. So let's use a different broker to do things here, and I'll be able to explain. I don't know which broker I was using. Is it forex.com or Wanda? I think it's Wanda. Let's go to Wanda. I think it's Wanda. Yeah, it's Wanda where I've done this. So the reason I've taken this trade already, remember, we are already bearish, and we already had on our higher time frame, we had a supply that was already mitigated. This was our supply zone here. Let me show you. This was our supply, and we were trading this market from that area to the downside. Fundamentally, we were bearish. So for me, I just wanted to add a position, and I'll move it at break even and close. So when the market started going down here, you can see when the market taps there. For me, the reason I've added a position is this. Number one, let's do this one here. How do you enter a trade? If you have your high time frame point of interest, wait for the market to approach that zone, all right? Wait for the price to approach that zone, and this is how the market comes. Takes out inducement, a new inducement is created, break the structure, takes out inducement, a new inducement is created, break the structure, and the market will do this and mitigate your level. All right, so when it breaks this structure here, this is what we call change of character. Let it go up and fail. Let it go down. Don't chase this move. Stay away. Then let it come back and take out what we call inducement and now sell. This is a standard entry model that I've given you. All right, this is supposed to be on private community, but it's here, guys, sharing with you. So this inducement and this is a high, this is a low. So if you guys would like to join us, our new classes on technicals will starting on Monday. So you can just WhatsApp me. I leave my number on the description section, and you can just pick it up and text me. Then we can see what we're gonna do. So for Monday, we have technical sessions and also fundamentals for the new group. If you like to join us, you're welcome, right? This December, we're not going to be trading much. In fact, I need just to take one more trade, a swing position, and then I leave it until January. Because December, the market's always messy. And when you get a setup, you don't exit. So you see, this will be a break of structure. Then when the market break this level to the downside, this is your change of character, right? This is your change of character. Then if this is a change of character, wait for this inducement to be taken out, right? Wait for this inducement to be taken out, then enter your trade. When the inducement is taken out, this is your low. Then when you have any supply above here, that's what you use to enter, right? So when the trade comes there, that is how you put your entry here. The stop loss just above your area of interest, and the trade goes to the downside. And if you want to add a position, let's say you do this, if you want to add a position, let the market do this, break this structure. Then let it create a new inducement, something like this. It creates a new inducement and it goes down. And it takes out this inducement. This one is like an A plus setup now. This one is a guarantee that we are going to go to the downside if your high time frame analysis is correct. Then this means that the market, when it takes out that inducement and mitigate that level to the upside, you can add another position here, right? Can add another position here. Stop loss just above the new supply zone. Then you can target your major low. So let's come here. On this market, the moment it mitigated this level here, I'll remove this notification. Remove this notification. The moment it mitigates this level on a higher time frame, you can go to your lower time frame like 15 minutes, right? Let's go to 15. Now on 15 minutes, let's see, what did this market mitigate this level? Okay, here. So where's your change of character? Your change of character is this one. This is your change of character here, right? This is your change of character in 15 minutes. This means that when you get a change of character, wait for inducement to be taken out, then they enter your trade. You can see there's an inducement here, but this inducement is more visible. Here on this time frame, you might not see it unless you understand what is an inducement. This is your inducement here, right? This is your inducement, this is your low, right? The market will take out inducement and go back to a higher time frame. What is this here? This is what we call a flip. Demand then turn into a supply, right? This is a flip. And this is not just a flip. All of this your order flow. So there's a lot that goes on here. You need to understand what happens here. Taps there, you could enter in that position and you enter a sell position. If you're not okay, you see, wait for the market to break the structure again, take out your inducement, and this second trade is the one of high quality. When the market comes back here, you can see a sweep of liquidity around this area. When the market comes here, you can enter in this trade up there. You enter here, for example, you put your entry here, stop loss just above here, because why? Already inducement has been taken out, and this is what we call engineering liquidity, right? Engineering liquidity. Once taken out, take the level and target. You can either target what you want to see. For example, let's say, I'm just giving you an example on a higher time frame. Let's say that you're using 2 hours time frame as your major high time frame, or let's say the 4 hours, okay? Let's say if this is your 4 hours time frame, then you want to target, let's say you want to target, let's say this low, right? You want to target this low. So when you get that entry here, which it looks like it's abnormal, but guys, it's possible when you have the fundamentals on your side. This means that when you get that trade, what do you target? Here's the trade, this one. Target your 4 hours low here. And this is very crazy. I want you to see the risk reward ratio. You'll be surprised. Look at that, 35. When the price moves away from your entry, just put your stop loss at break even and leave it. Let the market again break the structure. Identify a new inducement again. Look at this. Where's the new inducement? This is an inducement here. Once the market takes out inducement, let it come to the upside. What is this? All of this is what we call, remove this. All of this is what we call an order flow, right? This is what we call, I need to do something here, my tools. Yeah, so this is what we call order flow. All right, order flow. But within this order flow, you have what we call, this was supposed to be a demand zone, or ICT called it a breaker, which turns into a supply. Demand flip into a supply zone. The market, when it comes and mitigate this level, you can end even a trade here and place another entry here. Man, this is crazy. This concept is very, very crazy. Like what I'm showing you here, this is something that once you master this, I don't know why, but I don't know why I stopped using this concept. I think the time I started doing the fundamentals, that's when I stopped using this concept. But it was really crazy, right? Now, when the trade goes away from your entry, just place your trade at break even and let it break the structure again and repeat. This trade, it repeats itself. Move here, let the market takes out inducement, this is your low, let it go back to your level of mitigation. Look at this area. Everything is mitigated except this where we have, and I see that when you see so many candles there, there's an area of accumulation where there's so many orders. Let the market come there. You can enter direct, but because I had some running position I did not want to risk. What I did is that I went to a lower time frame here, and I'm going to show you this a model, and I want you to look at this very well, right? So I've decided to go back to technicals, and now it's about now time we go back to basics, kill this market. Mitigate the level. This is a change of character. Market goes down. Let's take out inducement. Your supply is on there, my friend. That's when you enter, right? That's when you enter. Inducement taken out. Make sure, guys, that when you manage to watch this video, make sure that you subscribe, you leave your comment, and I can't wait to respond to your comments. Record structure. This is what you call change of character. Why? Because the market has mitigated your high time frame point of interest. Wait for this inducement to be taken out. Then take any supply that you see that's above you here. This supply is here, take it out there, then take your entry on that exact supply there. Take it, target where you want to target. Again, you can add a position. For example, if the market sweeps this inducement and it doesn't close with the body, there's a model I was teaching you live on TikTok. When the candle closes with the body, example, sweep of liquidity, if this area, let's say, if the market was here, swept the inducement and it felt close to the body, but the wick went up there. On the next candle that opens, there's another area to add a position again. So you'll have two positions in the same setup. And this is what happened here. Look at this. This is my area of interest. Let's now narrow down to like 3 minutes time frame. First on this one, I went on 3 minutes. On 3 minutes, look at what I was waiting for. You can see I have entries there. So let me remove these entries and explain again. Do I have really to remove them? Yeah, I remove them. I'm the one who placed them there. I can always bring them back. Let me remove even this one. The video will be on TikTok. So there's another video that I recorded the phone in real life, so you can watch it. So you can see after market mitigated this zone, the market mitigated this zone. What I did is that I waited for a change of character here. Man, this is so great. Change of character. Then this inducement is only on a lower time frame, on 1 minute. But this was the reason I took my entry here, because look at this. The market was like this, a sweep of liquidity. Then the first entry that I took was here. But my stop loss was where? Here, because I knew that this high can also be used as what? As an inducement. The market can decide to go up and take out that level. So the model I've showed you, don't be like creepy, like always just wait for inducement to be taken out. That's the inducement. You can see there. There's the inducement. So if the market takes out this inducement, because I myself I'm having two positions running, and my position, the one I took here, but I placed my stop loss where? Up here, because I knew that this is a major high. But for you, if you don't know, wait for inducement to be taken out, because here you don't have anything. Look at this. This is another block that has already been mitigated. The block that has already been mitigated. I personally, I'm showing you what I've done on my account. If you want to see the entry, look at my video on TikTok. I'll post it there. You see, my stop loss will be there, and I'll be targeting. You see, you can target either here, or if you want to target the 4 hours low, where's the 4 hours low? 4 hours low, we go down. No, this is like an entry model that has never been out there. Where is it? Where's that model? Okay. See here. If you have a swing, this one, I'm just showing you because I'm having the fundamental idea. And I hope that you guys, you get to watch this video. Don't skip. Don't skip. This is a must watch, because the information in this video is very, very great. Look at this trend. You move at break even. Look here. You could end again here. Let me show you. And I make sure you watch the video that I'm going to post on TikTok, because that video, it has content, a lot of content. Look at this. How do you end a trade? I was teaching this one on my TikTok live. Wait for the sweep of liquidity. Wait for the next candle to close with the body. This never closed. Then this one never closed. And why is this here never closed? What I did is that I went on 1 minute time frame. I went on 1 minute time frame. After that, sweep. When I went on one minute time frame, this where the market, this where the sweep was. Look at this. The sweep was here. And I took my next, I was saying that you can add a position here. Just put your stop loss above it. And what do? Target again your low. So to see how I was recording this in live market, I'll attach my video. I don't even, will I be able to attach? I can't attach. I don't know how to edit, man. So I'll just put my video on TikTok, or I'll post it as a something like, how do you call it? Something like a shorts, yeah? Make sure that you watch my shorts to be able to see it. Now, this low. And now you move your trades at break even. Now all these trades are supposed, after this life, I'm going to put them on break even, and that's how you kill it. That's how you kill it, man. So this is your boy, Mr. Fx. This is what I wanted to show you guys, and make sure that you check out this video. So let's go to 15. And I feel so good going back to technicals, man. I just feel so great. It's been a very long time I did this kind of videos. So check out this level, and this just a 4 hours low. But this, guys, don't follow this idea. This is just an abnormal target, all right? Okay, for a swing position, of course, you target there. Like for me, of course, I'm not going to close my positions. It's Friday, but I'm going to leave them to run. But make sure that you just get to follow. So otherwise, guys, thanks. And make sure that you leave your comment, and I'll be able to check it out and watch with you. But this just like, the point is, look at the entry model. The target, those are the abnormal levels. Don't try if you are not experienced with this kind of information. Otherwise, guys, thanks for your time. And let the trade run, man. Like the trade is running. So this video, I'm going to post the remaining part of it on TikTok, and I'll see you very, very soon. It's your boy, Mr. FX.